What's the meaning of Brum? Brum. Brum.
Brum. Brum. Brum can have a few different meanings depending on the context. One meaning is as a slang term for the English city of Birmingham, often used affectionately by locals. Another meaning is as an onomatopoeic word representing the sound of a car or other vehicle moving slowly and heavily. Additionally, Brum is also the name of a children's television show featuring a small car that goes on adventures around a city. Overall, the meaning of Brum depends on the context in which it is used.